I used to spend my entire Saturday nights trying to find a small detail in a 50-page report or some research paper to find a small factoid that I needed, and it was exhausting and it was a total waste of time. And so I am letting the world's most advanced intelligence do the heavy lifting for me, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So this is Chatbot AI, an all-in-one AI chatbot, and it is a multiple large language model, including ChatGPT and a few others. And as you can see, these are Sonnet, there's Gemini, DeepSeek, R1, Mistral, Flux, all the different ones right here. And so you can switch between different models, AI, very easily. All of them are affordable and have amazing features. So we'll definitely show you how you can use this so you can not have the same headaches that I have. So we'll go ahead and log in here. And as you can see, we have our report that we can drop in. And it's an e-commerce report from 2025. We'll go ahead and summarize the key takeaways and data points. Go ahead and search. Just like that, it is using the model here. These are the key takeaways. Very easy. And you can see there's a e-commerce, there's some Asian versus Europe, the rest of the world. We have landscape on page 5. We have the watch list, and on page 7, we can actually change this to any model we want. So depending on what we're trying to do, we can use the good old Gemini, and it gives us a different breakdown. And you can see that it has the amount of data. We can switch over to Superbot, and here is the same report printed a different way. So you can see that it has quite the difference in how quickly they work. But here is the key point that I wanted to make. That you can use all of these models and switch between them instantly to get a technical or creative summary. This ensures that you get the highest quality output for homework, essays, writing, whatever it is that you need to get done. And you can compare each of these models in real time to not only that, but they sync across all devices, allowing you to start research on, say, a laptop, going to your desktop or just a mobile phone. It makes it so easy to really have all your documents and chat history ready whenever you need it. So it is quite amazing. And so stop drowning in documents and start working smarter. Click in the link below the description and grab your free trial for just $1 and let the world's best AI handle your workload today. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below.